Hello, my little ones. The Gingerbread Man is the story that Ammu has got for you on Ammu&You today. So let's hear, who is this Gingerbread Man that I am talking about? Well, it's a very cute character. Let's meet. What shall I bake today? Thinks Nan. I know, a gingerbread man. She gives him chocolate chip buttons, 1, 2, 3, 2 little eyes and a big happy smile. Nan opens the oven door and the gingerbread man jumps out. I'm off to see the world, he says. Run, run as fast as you can. You can't catch me. I'm the gingerbread man. Come back, calls Nan. We want to eat you. We are hungry. Run, run as fast as you can. You can't catch me. I'm the gingerbread man. Moo! Neigh! Mum, you look tasty, says a farmer. I think I'll eat you. Run, run as fast as you can. You can't catch me. I'm the gingerbread man. Stop, stop, everyone shouts. We want to eat you. Run, run as fast as you can. You can't catch me. I'm the gingerbread man. The whole line of people and the cow and the horse were running after the gingerbread man. Some school children joined the chase too. And the gingerbread man sings louder. Run, run as fast as you can. You can't catch me. I'm the gingerbread man. Then he comes to a river. Oh no, he cries. I can't swim. Don't worry, says a friendly fox. I'll carry you across. No worries at all. And so the gingerbread man hops onto the fox's tail. And all the rest of the people following the gingerbread man stand on the bank of the river with open mouth, seeing the gingerbread man go on the fox's tail. Swim, swim as fast as you can. You can't catch me. I'm the gingerbread man, says the gingerbread man. I'm off to see the world, the gingerbread man tells the fox. Safely over the river, the gingerbread man says, Thanks, Mr. Fox. And he runs off, still singing. Run, run as fast as you can. You can't catch me. I'm the gingerbread man. And what happens to all those people? The cow, the horse, and the farmer, and Nan, who were wanting to eat the gingerbread man. But they can't catch him anymore. Why? Because the friendly fox had helped the gingerbread man cross the river sitting on his tail and had brought him on the other side. And the smarty pants gingerbread man ran away as fast as he could to see this beautiful, beautiful world. And that is how smart is our gingerbread man. Funny story, cute story, kids. Like, share, subscribe, press the bell icon. And thank you for listening to this pretty story. Wait for me when I come again with another cute little story to narrate to all of you. Till then, bye-bye.